Hi everyone, welcome to Seal Software Library. In this session, we are going to create a custom scale which will be dynamic, like automatically changes its scale with respect to viewport. So let's begin. Uh, First of all, you have to create your own custom scale, or however you name. I have created it. Then we'll do we'll create a block for it by giving command block select object. And I pick a okay. After creating the scale, you have to go to block editor. Then where we have to assign a attributes. Okay, so define attribute for my make as changes as you need. Okay, then I'll copy it. Okay, after defining attribute, you have to still change it. Then here, if you can't able to see these values, then give a command attribute sync attributes sync. Okay, it automatically updates. So after this, go to double click and attribute tab will open in front of you. Then whatever the value you have, keep 0 as it is, because the initial value will be 0. Then I'll go to second value, which is 0.5% of the scale. So I'll click insert fit. Go to object. Okay, here we'll go to object, and here select object, come to viewport. Okay, viewport, and here you have to choose custom scale. After custom scale, there will be a previews here, and you will get a field expression. Copy this field expression, go to formula. As you see, this is our scale, but we need a half of it, like 0.5 divided by the custom scale. We evaluate statically gets, and we will drop precision to 0. We hit OK, and we go to next. Similarly, you already have a formula, so I will just paste it. Then 1 divided by I think it's 0.5, so I need to. Sorry, I forgot to add this point. That's why it should. It's 10 now. This is 2 divided by because it's twice. decision to okay. So this is how we create a custom scale. Now if you change your scale to whatever value you have, you will see no changes, but when you give a command regenerate, it automatically updates as you see. Okay, so let me know if you need any other videos, whatever you want. I'll create any videos if you need.